Well, so-ke u-Ayanda oyi-supervisor yama customer consumer consultant, something like that, told me ukuthi bona they are not judges. That's the words she used. They are not judges, they are not a court. They cannot intervene if a client ne-merchant bengaboni ngasolinye mangabe bekade bedayiselene into abadayiselene yona bona, but they cannot intervene, they cannot do anything. Of which maybe shame angimblame. Maybe she is right. Maybe it's just a matter of the choice of word she used. Kodwa ke at the end of the day, fine. Let us just say ukuthi, for argument's sake, she's right. Ukuthi asho kanjalo ukuthi they are not a court, they are not judges, so they cannot intervene. Ngibuze-ke mina-ke ngimtshele sonke istori, ngimchazele sokuqala le phone advertise bekuthiwa kufanele ifike ne-charger, yangafika ne-charger, labantu bathi bazonginika i-refund ka-R50 banganginikezi. On top of ukuthi ngibasendela ama-banking details wami bangawasenda. On top of ukuthi ngibacela ukuthi at least abanginike u-150 because mina I know ukuthi ayikho i-iPhone ene-cable ebiza u-R50. Athi ngiyasizwa istori sakho, ngiya-understand frustration yakho, but thina we cannot intervene. Ngibuze-ke Ayanda ngithi okay-ke fine, kusho ukuthi ekugcineni kosuku-ke le phone is not serving me as a consumer. I am not happy from the word go, from the way they speak. These people, they are rude, they don't care, they just don't care. And to me, it raises suspicions ukuthi kwalento abayenzayo, there is a high probability ukuthi lento le abayenzayo asiwazi lamafoni abawathengisa oqala njengoba esefika esewurefurbish ukuthi bawathenga bawathathaphi ngoba unfortunately I did that later on. When I checked, I realized ukuthi they are not listed as a franchisee yase iStore, which is another mistake on my side. I should have checked if these people are listed as a franchisee, because angisho iStore unabo itolo ezinama technicians where they train them how to fix the phone, and those zitolo lezo they've got a license to resell ama iPhone products, my laptops, everything, yonke into nje yaka iPhone. That is my mistake. I did not do that. But ngachecka senginenkinga, sengifuna ukubona hayibo bona labantu engithenge kubona ngaphela. Remember vele mina bengizifunela u-Apple guy, ukuthi u-Apple guy wangabi nayo into engiyifunayo. Bona vele at the end of the day labantu ke are they licensed to sell iPhone products? To find ukuthi labantu, one, they are not licensed to sell ama iPhone products. Two, these people, okay, let me get to that one later. Okay, athi u-Ayanda, yeah, they are not judges and warawara. Ngibuze-ke ngithi mina Ayanda ngisayifuni le phone ngoba isingifikele ney'nkinga ey'ningi, and yet I'm still expected to pay for it. Athi u-Ayanda bacele ukuthi ucela ukuyibuyisa ifoni, of which leyo nto ngase ngiyenzile already banqaba. Ngize ngicela uPay Just Now njengoba ngicabanga ukuthi phela uPay Just Now as a facilitator yama payment mhlawumbe uzongibackupa somehow as an unhappy client, as a client escamiwe, because according to me right now uTouch ZA ungiskemile ukuthi number one, ngithenge ifoni kuthiwa le phone le iza ne-charger yayo. Two, ifoni yafika ne-charger wrong. Ngababuza mina ukuthi whose mistake is it ukuthi ifoni ifike ne-charger wrong. Manje ngitshela ukuthi nina anifuni ukungisendela i-charger yodwa or i-cable yodwa because it does not make financial sense. Why nina nihluleka ukulungisa i-mistake yenu? Lo muntu lo beyipheka le phone, why yena self ungadonsi emholweni wakhe? Ngoba phela at this point nina as a company anifuni ukuthatha i-blame, and we are talking about into ka-plus or minus 250. Why don't you hold this person who sent a wrong charger accountable? Nithumele i-charger yami niphinde nikhokhele u-courier guy angilethele i-charger right. Hayi bangayingena leyo. One, wrong charger. Two, R50 kuthiwe ngizobuyisela wona as a refund awuzange ufike. Three, they refuse manginegotiate nabo ukuthi at least sendani u-150. Hayi cha bangayingeni ke le ukuthi hayi asinegotiate nawe wentombo, siyakutshela ukuthi thina sizokunika u-R50, of which lo R50 now awufikanga. Okay fine. Now sengifaka uPay Just Now. Pay Just Now failed me dismally ke. Failed me dismally because umbuzo enginawo uPay Just Now. One, wena Pay Just Now, if maybe it might have happened ukuthi lento intenze okokuqala, kodwa awukwazi ukuzikhipha uziqothulule uzivuthulule ubhekele and turn a blind eye on a situation like this, because it might have been the first time ngami ukuthi ngibe nale experience. Mhlambe abanye babaphatha kahle, mhlambe abanye bathola everything babe happy, kodwa Do you want to tell me ukuthi wena uzoprotecta a company that appears to be scamming ama-customers, of which u-Ayanda at some point wavumelana nami ukuthi ayi cha kona ngempela ngezwa sisuthi indlela ochaza ngayo, it sounds like they are dodgy, and the way abazikhipha ngakhona, abangafuni ukuthatha responsibility ngakhona, it's like they are hiding something. Now, just now, you are going to fail me as a client to a point that you cannot even do anything about this. Maybe in the near future, in your clauses, include something that says if a client is unhappy, what can you do as Page just now? Because I still believe there is something that you can do. I don't know what, but there is something that you can do. I-client elenze i-customer kanje alideserve ukuthola imali yayo ephelele okokuqala. Okwesibili, alideserve ukuthola imali yayo at all. Mina uPage just now bengicabanga ukuthi ngokwami bekufanele bathi ithumele kuthini ifoni sizoyibuyisela kubona, and they are not going to get their payments. End of the story. Because already ama-complaints wami are valid, are recorded, and they make sense. I'm an unhappy client. Okay. Now, mina ngimi, how do I solve my problem moving forward? Because I want this phone to work. Give the following morning ngithatha ifoni yami ngiye-iStore manje ukuthi abangivulele le phone. And ngiyabacela futhi i-iStore ngicela ngi-check-ele le phone ayintshontshwanga yini, sengifuna ukwazi izinto eziningi ngale phone. Ngicela ukutshela ukuthi i-technician engangiyibhukhile i-iStore yayithatha ifoni yayiphendula nje engakwenzi lutho oluningi, wathi this phone is not original. That's number one thing that he said. And then he said, on our system, I'm going to run it on our system. I will tell you why I'm saying that this phone is not original. It's not an iPhone. It's not. It looks like an iPhone 12, but it's not an iPhone 12. It's a mimic, or it's a dummy of an iPhone 12. Hey, ayifaka umfana ifone esikwi-system, arun umfana, hayi khala into zakhona. Isho i-report ukuthi i-serial number yale phone, ifone, yes, i-serial number yayi-iPhone 12, kodwa le iPhone 12 kwakuyi-iPhone 12 e-white, and mina ngithole i-iPhone 12 e-light blue. And njengoba ngithole i-iPhone 12 e-light blue, asho ukuthi lokhu nalo a-highlight nje just the main things ezama-fake, asho ukuthi 1 no 2 no 3 azisho nje into ezimbalwa ukuthi 1 no 2 no 3 akuwona i-iPhone, and is a concerning issue ngoba we don't even know ukuthi lama parts bawathenge kephi. It might happen ukuthi these are the parts that are coming from stolen phones. It might happen ukuthi these are the parts that are bought from izitolo zamashayina ezi-fake eziclaim ukuthi ziyakwazi ukwenza ama-parts we-iPhone. It could be anything at this point. And unfortunately, sisi, uma kuwukuthi le phone is in this fake stage, ayikho original, we cannot unlock an unoriginal phone, because thina ngokwethu ka-iPhone asiyazi, sazi serial number nje kuphela ukuthi iyavela on our system ukuthi once upon a time at its originality mayikhandwa ireleaswa on the shelves to whoever it was sold to. Initially it was an iPhone emhlophe, le eseyi light green manje ayitha asayazi, light blue or light green asayazi, something else, and it's a concerning issue. Angeke sikuvulele yona, unfortunately. As I'm talking to you today, that phone still ayisebenzi because iPhone refused to open the phone for me. What does that tell you wena as umthengi? Kuze udimba December manje sondele December, abantu bathenga izinto, bathengela abantu ababathandayo, bathengela ama-gifts. Hey guys, ngicela nibe careful because uyabona ku social media siskemiwe. Social media has come with bad and good, the pros and the cons, and mina for the first time I am experiencing the bad side of izinto za social media. Vele ke angisena umuntu okhonzile ukuthenga online. Even now Page just now I was introduced kuyena by somebody who's close to me. Bengisoloko ngingabathembi all along, kodwa because lo ongi-introduce kena ujwayele ukuthenga izinto kwa-Page just now abe happy, angabi nankinga, angazi mhlawumbe kusho ukuthi nje ibhadi lami Nkosi yami. Kodwa nje I'm just warning you guys ukuthi ngicela nibe careful. And yabona nami manje I cannot even rule out into ethi maybe kwa-Ayanda noJoshua lo base-Page just now bahlangene nalabantu mhlambe bathola ishare kusona sonke lesi scam esenzakalayo, because I remember at one point when I was complaining, that guy told me to bring the phone in our Sandton. He said I must come and collect the charger at their Sandton branch all the way from Durban, and uyibonile address yami mangiyithumela. And did I tell you ukuthi phone ayingena invoice? Mangifike iStore they ask for an invoice yefoni ukuthi uthenga ifoni. Okay, fine. Mase uzoyivula ifoni, we need a proof ukuthi uyithenge kephi. I did not have a proof. Luckily, because ama-payment ngizibhekaphe ngo-Pay Just Now, ngakwazi uku-screenshotha leya first payment ebengiyenzile, i-first installment yokuqala via Pay Just Now ukuthi ngiyithengela. It's only when they could actually entertain me. Kahle kahle okusho ukuthi leya phone ukuba bengiyikhokhele ucash, imali yami ibicwilile. Bengengikwazi ngisho ukuyivula iPhone store. Well, anyway angikwazanga ukuyivula, kodwa nje sengiyasho ukuthi izinto bekumele ngabe zikhona nezibalekile. Ngathi mengibabuza ngendaba ye-invoice, why phone yeni ingena invoice, bangitshela ukuthi ayina invoice because i-payment yami is facilitated by Pay Just Now. So that was their excuse. They got away with it. Ingena invoice, ingena delivery note. The only thing that was on the package you could see ukuthi ilokhunjana yaka courier guy mangabe bekubhalela ngaphela egcina ngosuku, they need to know ukuthi iparcela leyo liya kubani wakabani, number yakhe ithini. That was the only thing that was on the packaging. So guys, I've been scammed by Touch ZA. Yabona, from this video, I don't care. They can take me to High Court or Constitutional Court. I don't give a fuck. They can do whatever they want to do. Here I am. But the only thing that they were good at doing, Page Just Now email ende enesingisi ngoba becabanga ukuthi mina ngisazi isingisi, mina I'm stupid, mina ngisazi isingisi. Bengitshela yonke into engenasidingo. I'm ruining my reputation with Pay Just Now. They are going, if I continue but mouthing them on social media, ngisho into engekho bazongibuphisa. They can bring law into it, legal what. Lalela, Touch ZA, wherever you are, ukuba niyayibona le video, go ahead. Go ahead, ngine-report yase-iStore. I've got the report yase-iStore that is backing me up ukuthi amafoni niwadayisayo anjani. Go ahead now, gijimani now, niyongibuphisa ke. Here you go. Ngoba benicane clever ngithi, here you go, gijimani. Benicane nisabisa isilimi esingafundanga, esingazi nesi, esingeke sisifundele sasingise sibhale lapha. Ngoba benicabanga ukuthi niyangithusa kahle kahle. Because I even asked, ngambuza ngisho uAyanda wase-Page Just Now ukuthi, if these people are honest and whatever is happening, it's not their fault. Let us just say, hypothetically speaking, say that it's not their fault. Why their solution is to tell me ukuthi bazongibuphisa ke? Why is it their solution? Is that the best that they can do? Ngoba I did ask to speak to the boss. I was told ukuthi angeke ngikwazi ukukhuluma ne-boss because the chats are live and they are open. Everybody can access the chats. I even asked, who am I speaking to on the chats? The person who was responding to my chats refused to give me igama lakhe nesibongo sakhe. Touch ZA, gijima ke uhambe uyongibopha. Yabona manje, gijima ke munu. Gijima uyongibopha ke munu. Mina I've got i-report yase-iStore ukuthi amafoni eniwadayisayo anjani. Mhlambe benicabanga ukuthi you'll get away with this because nisende ifoni nidayisele umuntu okude engeke kube lula ukuthi azobanga umsindo esitolo. But you forgot ukuthi social media has got eyes and ears everywhere and can reach far and wide. And this video, even in 2030, it will still be circulating here on my channel. It will still be circulating here on my social media platforms. And ngiyacela ukuthi ni-share video far and wide. Stay away from Touch ZA. Uzokhala. Ngaze ngazisola ukuthi bengingayingani kuJack Mabaso, and lapho uJack Mabaso, I'm so sorry Jack Mabaso, I don't wanna lie, bengingamethembi for some reasons, because now uJack Mabaso ufuna ukuthi ukhokhele ifoni yakho in full before I deliver, and I'm not very trusting with izinto ezikanjalo. Ube ungesisona isitolo esi formally I don't know what's the word, but ubungesiyona angithi uJack Mabaso akasiyona i-franchise yase-iStore, so I could not trust him ukuthi ngikhokhe imali yonke ephelele and then ngilinde ifoni. Benginento yokuthi what if ifoni ingasafiki? Yes, siyabona ama-testimonies and everything, kanti I don't know ukuthi ngibalekela yena nje ngiya kokuwes. Maybe yena he was even going to be better. So that is my experience with buying online. Vele angikuthanda ukuthenga online, vele angikujwayele, but to think that ukuthi i-experience yami yokuqala vele yamuncu kanje. Worse, I need a phone, guys. I need a phone. Now kusho ukuthi mina kufanele ngiqale phansi ngiyokhokha again ngoba kusho ukuthi le phone le ayihlukile nemoto ethatha i-engine yayo yayofakwa emzimbeni wenye imoto kwafakwa ama-parts different ukuze ihambe ingene emgwaqweni. Kusho ukuthi mina manje the only way ukuthi ngivule le phone fanele ngise kuma-bush technicians are out there. agcwele umhlaba wonke engizofike ngikhokhele kona, ngifike ngikhokhe kona extra manje ngoba phela ayisitohlulekile ukuyivula. So guys, be careful. I just wanted to tell you that ukuthi be careful. Ama-scams, i-scam akusona sonke i-scam esibonakalayo ukuthi isi-scam. Amanye ama-scams bacashe ngaphansi kwama-platforms afana no-Pages Now, and yet they are scammers and they get away with it, and they usually get away with it until bathola abantu abanemilomo emanzi efana neyami. Ngoba mhlambe angiyena mina oqala, just mhlambe mina ngithenganga ngoba via o-Pages Now. Mhlambe there is another client out where in the corner of this country ethengile yakhokha in full, receiver into ezingaphelele, receiver ifoni eyenza yonke lento eyenzayo, because umbuzo wami uyi-one. You work with iPhones, you sell refurbished phones, but you cannot help your client troubleshoot. You cannot even advise ukuthi yenza kanje or yisenda nokuthi, or try and send it back to us. Kodwa uma uyisenda back to us sekuzokhokha wena ama-courier expenses because sesikudelivelile already. Sekuzokhokha wena ama-expenses because i-fault yakho ukuthi wena usayikhumbula i-password or wena uziblockele. Bavele bazidistance bathi nje hayi asiyingeni indaba yakho leyo, thina sekunika ifone right. What are they hiding? And the next thing niza nento yokuthi sizokubophisa uma ukhuluma, uqhubeka nokukhuluma nathi on social media, uqhubeka nokusabisa ama-clients abantu on social media, sizokubophisa. Ngibophiseni, gijimani now. Ngihleli la nginilindile phansi kwesihlahla, nasi isihlahla nginilinde kusona, ngiyindawo nginilindile, ngibophiseni. Kwaphela nina niyabophisana, ngithi niyabophisana nina. Guys, ngiyanicela nibe careful, be careful. Yabona lokuthenga online, ake sikuqwalasele, asikuqwalasele ukuthenga online guys. Mina experience yami yiyo le engishare nawe, ngicela ukuthi nawe uyishare nabanye. Ngicela ukuthi uyishare nabanye. Mhlawumbe omunye useskemeke imali enkulu than this. Mhlawumbe omunye useskenywe 150,000 ethenga imoto asazi engafikanga, noma imoto efike inezibindi zemoto yenye inkampani kodwa ngaphandle isho enye into. You'll never know. So yeah, bengithi nje angiyidlulise lento ngoba isoloko ihlele esifubeni sami iyangishisa. Bye.